Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn a blurry photo into a high-quality image using ChatGPT. This method is very simple, fast, and perfect for improving old, low-quality or blurry photos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Search for ChatGPT and make sure you update the app to the latest version. Having the latest version ensures you have access to all the newest image features. Once the app is updated, open the ChatGPT app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Now tap the plus icon located near the message box and select the blurry photo that you want to enhance. Wait for the image to finish uploading. After uploading the photo, type a prompt like this. Enhance this image to high quality. Increase sharpness and details, improve clarity, and keep the original look of the photo. Then send the prompt and wait for ChatGPT to process the image. Depending on the image size and your internet connection, it may take a few moments. Once the enhancement is complete, you'll receive a much clearer and higher quality version of your photo. You can compare it with the original image and see the improved details, better sharpness, and overall enhanced quality. Finally, save the enhanced image to your device and use it wherever you want. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert a blurry photo into a high-quality image using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.